Would you go carpet or vinyl? There's the first. Would you go carpet or vinyl?
Would I?
Yeah.
Well, I can't afford carpet.
So
vinyl.
Ian, carpet or vinyl in a truck?
Carpet or vinyl in the truck? If you got kids, vinyl.
Easy cleaning. Fair enough.
I like the carpet. It looks nicer, and you can get some nice husky liner floor mats to put in there to get out all the debris, and you don't have to worry about getting it dirty then, but it still looks nice. That's my call.
Alright, so this truck has vinyl flooring, and we are going to remove this flooring to put in upgraded carpet. Now, I already have the seats all pulled out. Got to remove some plastic pieces. Then I'll get this flooring out of here and put the new carpet in. Hold on. There we go. I don't need that piece. Enough of them on the truck.
I'm gonna go warranty these now.
See the muddy footprints?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't want that waterproof
Nope.
flooring. They want carpet.
Yep.
Alright. Teach their own. Teach their own. Me personally, because I get mud in my car and stuff, I like...
You're a working man.
Yeah.
You think a working man's gonna buy this truck?
Probably. I would have thought so. I can't afford gas prices in this thing just for fun and games.
We'll see.
What would be your preference, vinyl or carpet?
Depends. Really, if it's a work truck or if it's a grocery getter.
That's fair.
I'd almost have to say the vinyl flooring.
More usable?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Maybe they'll sell this stuff. You get some discounted vinyl flooring. The rear and the front, so we'll start with the rear. So just taking some time to tuck it in. All these areas will be covered in by the console, and the seats will cover this part up. Just tucking it under the plastic here to make it look just like it was brand new. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. I will say that this is a pretty nice upgrade without having to do any modifications. It fastens on the exact same way the vinyl does, and you can't even tell the difference that it's been replaced.
And you just want to add, like nowadays all the plastic just snaps together. It doesn't really, it's not a lot of bolting stuff, it's just snapping.
Yeah. And the ease of installation as well, like there's some Christmas plugs here, and then the rest just kind of clip into place, and that's it. Even a DIYer can do it. Because they screw on from
The backside.
I told Jaden that. That's right, he likes doing things twice.
Oh, he's a fucking. I think hit me 2 times. My fault. He's off anyways. Yeah, there's going to be.
It's good practice.
You feel it.
Oh yeah.
Tamale. I worked on that truck last.
Huh?
I worked on that truck.
Hopefully they're just sitting out there not going anywhere neither, right?
Yeah. And yeah, seats. Time to get these front seats installed. The rears are ready to go. It's pretty easy removing these seats and putting them back in. Just 4 T50s and a harness, and that's it. I did mention that it was pretty easy to remove the seat, but trying to figure out how that disconnects for the first time, that's so easy. Alright, just finished putting the front seats in. And it does look pretty nice with the carpet, if that's your style. If not, if you're a working man, I guess go with the vinyl. But if you're a classy working man, then this is right up your alley. More cleaning, I guess. Only thing is left is for this thing to get vacuumed up and maybe detailed.